Recently, an acquaintance of mine suggested I install Alfred camera. It's a baby monitor camera app that allows you to use old phones. I've only tested this with Android phones. I don't know if it's possible with iPhones. I should check to see if it's possible. Just give me a sec. I'm going on to here. Let me search Alfred camera. And so it looks like it is possible with iOS also. But today I'll just be talking about an Android phone because I'm pretty sure everyone has a cheap Android phone lying around. So it's just a matter of installing the app. So I installed the app over here. And you install the app, and it'll ask you if you have an email or a Facebook account that you want to associate to. So I associate it to my, I think it's Gmail probably. I associate it to my Gmail account. And you can see here, you can select either view mode or camera mode. It's hard to tell, but there's a little arrow on here. And so you can set up as a viewer or a camera. So that's it. You just select one or the other. Right now it's set up as camera. And so I'll have it pointing here or something. And then I'll turn on my phone over here, which is acting as the viewer. And so that's what my camera's showing. And then I'm going to scroll to the camera. It says it's offline. Yeah, it's offline. I'm going to go click on here. And that's it. So I'm going to move this thing around a little bit. You can see it's showing my bed sheet. And that's it. Again, there was no crazy setup involved for this. It was just a matter of linking it to like a Gmail or a Facebook account, and that's it. And they do the rest. So it's pretty cool. I can use it as these old phones as a baby monitor. Or a security camera. I was thinking about putting it outside and using it just temporarily to record outside. So you can give it a try. Again, this is a pretty poor video, but it's actually pretty easy to set up, and if you want access to like high definition video and some other cool features, like maybe less ads, you can sign up for the Premiere. But right now I just did it for testing purposes. Like you can see, I try and change the quality, but won't let me. Or it says my phone's too old. So that's it. Alfred camera. I'm sure there's other better videos, but just wanted to say I tried it out and I actually pretty like it. One thing though is you saw in the very beginning they had a camera hooked up to a cable. This thing does drain battery very quickly because it's always sort of on. Even though you can lock the phone, it'll work once it's locked still. You can see I'm moving around and I lock the screen. So the camera's always on and it's sending over that data. So after a few hours, you can really drain up the battery, and that's why it needs to be hooked up to a power source if you're planning to use it all day or something. That's all.